we are in a time when the wounded healer archetype has been activated, and thank the gods for that. But the activation requires this acceptance of the nature of the wound and of knowledge that otherwise might be avoided. And so the further a person goes, in a sense, down the whole healing road, the more the realization dawns that there isn't a simple cure and there isn't a complete cure. And, working the path, working the wound, finding ways of healing is the nature of the healing path. And understanding that is important because it leads, as in the case of Chiron, to deep wisdom, but also great empathy and compassion for others. And so I know everybody is experiencing the lack of empathy and compassion in the structured world, in the political world, and all that kind of thing. Well, we have to find it. And the way we find it is deep inside ourselves. And that means dwelling in the dark cave where the suffering becomes conscious and apparent. And then just to be honest about the nature of this, it doesn't then lead to a complete, whole, perfect person that no longer feels wounds. It actually keeps us in the knowledge of wounding, which is what makes us empathetic and compassionate for others. So it's really in the bodhisattva realm rather than in the, I'm going to come out of this heroically healed.